These are power riser jumping stilts. And really you see people using them for doing flips and stuff like that, which I can't do. I just like to use them for the agility and stuff. It's a little bit harder to run on soft stuff like this. Found these on eBay. Thought they would be cooler to use than the drywall stilts, so which they were. I've been walking on stilts since my second year doing houses, so I got longer stilt pants or just whatever my character is. I actually used these my first year. Think about bringing them back. Wouldn't recommend never walked stilts before. Going straight to these. I started on drywall stilts, which is what I usually walk anyway, just easier, safer out here. These you can't really stop. You gotta kind of keep moving because the feet are bent, so you don't really have a option to stop moving. So you get wore out pretty good at them too. So. They're a lot of fun.
Ooh, I really want a pair of those.